We are glad to welcome you to Galina Kofod's book. In this book, Galina collects some of her favourite leather flower designs. However, the purpose of this book is not to teach you how to make exact replicas of her leather flowers, but what certain techniques were required to make each flower. Leather is a wonderful material to work with, and the opportunities for creating are endless. There are many different usages for leather, and one Galina will introduce to you is, of course, leather flowers. We admire silk flowers, but they are so short-lived. Leather flowers have the advantages of being more robust than silk. A spot of rain will not hurt them. Here, you will find the answers to many of your questions. What leather is best for the flowers making? How to dye leather? The best way to fix flowers that are on headpieces, and many more questions. International millinery and jewellery tutor Galina Kofod has conducted workshops around the globe, including 3 international millinery conventions. Despite the ever-changing world around us, she has expanded her teachings to the likes of an ebook and video tutorials for those who are unable to attend face-to-face workshops, to further assist in the creation of beautiful flowers. Therefore, to help inspire and teach others, she wrote this book that includes all her signature flowers to guide you into creativity, the perfect flower for you. As a bonus, when you buy this book, you will receive any 2 Galina's videos tutorials of your choice, including leather, silk, and EVA FOAM flowers. It is Galina's mission to make you not be afraid to try something new, discover your style, and begin creating your very own design. You can purchase the book using the link in description.